What's up everyone, Eric here. Today we're diving into a topic that's leaping from science fiction to reality, AI-powered weaponry. This isn't just about smarter bombs or faster jets. AI is fundamentally changing how defense and warfare operate. We'll explore the most cutting-edge examples from autonomous drones to hypersonic missiles and see how AI is reshaping the battlefield. We'll break down the tech, what it can do, and the impact it's already having. It's a complex, fast-moving subject, but one that's crucial as these technologies develop at breakneck speed. Alright, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about autonomous drones. These aren't your average remote-controlled toys. We're diving into the world of sophisticated self-governing machines. Drones have evolved from simple remote-controlled flyers, often seen as novelties or basic surveillance tools, to sophisticated AI-driven platforms. These advanced systems represent a paradigm shift in military technology. The real game-changer is autonomy, the ability for these machines to operate independently, without constant human oversight. AI now lets drones perceive, decide, and act on their own. They can analyze complex situations and respond in real time. Advanced machine learning and computer vision are at the heart of this transformation. Allow drones to interpret their environment, understanding the nuances of the world around them, recognize objects, and navigate complex terrains without human input. This capability extends their operational range and effectiveness. These drones can operate in denied environments where GPS is unavailable or communication is jammed, making them more resilient and versatile. They can adapt to changing conditions and complete missions even under duress. AI handles target identification, automating a critical and often time-sensitive task, sifting through data to spot vehicles, buildings, or people in real time, a process that would be overwhelming for a human operator. Faster and sometimes more accurately than humans, this enhanced precision minimizes errors and improves overall mission success. While humans still oversee most missions, providing a crucial layer of ethical and strategic oversight, AI does the heavy lifting in detection and classification. This division of labor allows for more efficient and effective operations. Some drones can even self-destruct, preventing sensitive technology from falling into the wrong hands, or wipe data if compromised, protecting sensitive tech and preventing adversaries from gaining a technological advantage. Fleets of autonomous drones can cover more ground, providing comprehensive surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, react faster, and reduce risk to human soldiers. They can handle dangerous tasks, keeping personnel out of harm's way. They excel at dangerous or tedious tasks, freeing up valuable human resources for other critical functions, freeing up humans for strategic decisions. This allows commanders to focus on the bigger picture and make informed choices. But with this autonomy come challenges, ethical considerations, potential for misuse, and the need for robust safeguards. Errors in judgment, algorithmic bias, and cybersecurity threats. These are complex issues that require careful attention and proactive solutions. The tech is advancing rapidly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerial warfare, but so is the debate about responsible use. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of these technologies. Autonomous drones are transforming aerial warfare, changing the way battles are fought and the very nature of conflict. Fascinating but also a bit unnerving. The potential impact of these technologies is both exciting and concerning. The future of the battlefield is arriving faster than we think. We are on the cusp of a new era in military technology. The question is, are we ready for it? Are we prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead? Let's keep going. There's much more to explore in this rapidly evolving landscape. Now, having explored the aerial applications of AI, let's shift our focus from the skies to the seas. We'll examine how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing naval defense strategies and technologies. A key example of this revolution is the Phalanx Close-In Weapon System, often referred to as CIWS. It stands as a prime example of AI's impact on modern naval warfare, an advanced automated gun system specifically designed to protect ships from incoming threats like missiles and hostile aircraft. Its AI-enhanced radar system is capable of rapidly detecting, accurately tracking, and swiftly engaging these threats in mere fractions of a second, a reaction time far exceeding the capabilities of any human operator. The system uses sophisticated algorithms to calculate precise firing solutions, intelligently prioritizes multiple incoming threats based on their severity, and continuously adapts to evolving enemy tactics through regular software updates and machine learning. In the face of saturation attacks where numerous threats arrive simultaneously, the AI makes critical real-time decisions about which targets to neutralize first to maximize defensive effectiveness, ultimately ensuring the survival and continued operation of the ship. This incredibly rapid and fully autonomous response capability is only possible through the integration of advanced AI. Similar AI-driven principles are increasingly being applied to a wide range of other naval defense systems, spanning from advanced missile interceptors to sophisticated electronic warfare systems. The overarching goal is to significantly shrink the Observe, Orient, Decide, Act loop, also known as the OODA loop. This allows ships to effectively defend themselves almost instantaneously against emerging threats. Systems like the Phalanx Shield vividly demonstrate how specialized AI can function as a highly effective, autonomous guardian, providing a crucial and often decisive defensive edge in naval engagements. It's not necessarily about achieving general artificial intelligence. Rather, it's about delivering optimized and exceptionally rapid responses in situations where milliseconds can mean the difference between success and failure. Out on the vast expanse of the high seas, AI is increasingly becoming the critical factor that separates safety and potential disaster. The future of naval defense is undeniably here, and it's powered by AI. Let's now dive deeper into specific applications and future trends. Now let's dive into autonomous submarines and tanks. These aren't just remote-controlled vehicles. AI is enabling them to operate independently for extended missions. Underwater, AI-driven subs navigate using sonar and terrain mapping, handling tasks like surveillance, mine countermeasures, and intelligence gathering where humans can't go. On land, AI is powering experimental tanks that can traverse complex terrain, identify threats, and even deploy countermeasures automatically. The challenge unpredictable environments and the need to distinguish friend from foe, especially with civilians present. Most current systems focus on driver assist or teleoperation, gradually increasing autonomy as the tech matures. The goal is to offload dangerous, dull, or dirty tasks to machines, acting as force multipliers and reducing risk to soldiers. Reliability and safety are paramount, especially when lethal force is involved. Progress is cautious, but the potential is huge. These platforms are changing how militaries operate on land and sea. Trust in AI is being built step by step. The next frontier is already taking shape. Now let's talk about hypersonic weapons. Missiles and glide vehicles traveling at Mach 5 or higher. Their speed and maneuverability make them nearly impossible for traditional defenses to intercept. AI is crucial for both offense and defense here. Hypersonic weapons use AI to optimize aerodynamics, manage extreme flight conditions, and guide themselves with pinpoint accuracy. Defending against them requires AI-driven sensor networks and battle management systems that can process data and coordinate responses at machine speed. It's an AI arms race. Both sides rely on advanced algorithms to outpace each other. The strategic impact is huge. These weapons could destabilize deterrence and escalate tensions. AI doesn't make kill decisions here, but it's the enabler for both attack and defense. The race to develop and counter hypersonics is pushing AI to its limits. The future of high-speed warfare is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. The stakes have never been higher. Let's see what's next. On to the next breakthrough. Now let's talk about AI-driven drone swarms. These aren't your average drones. We're talking about a paradigm shift in aerial technology. Hundreds or thousands of small drones operating together, a unified force in the sky. Imagine the possibilities, the scale of operations they can undertake, all directed by a sophisticated AI. This AI acts as the central nervous system, coordinating every drone's movement and action. Swarms are resilient. If some drones are lost, the rest adapt and continue the mission. It's a self-healing system, ensuring mission success even under duress. The AI enables swarm intelligence. Drones communicate, share data, and make collective decisions in real time. This constant flow of information allows for dynamic adjustments and optimized performance. Swarms can cover vast areas for surveillance, track multiple targets, and provide persistent oversight. They offer an unparalleled level of situational awareness. Offensively, they can overwhelm defenses, jam communications, or even deliver precise attacks. The possibilities are truly game-changing. The complexity lies in coordination, distributed computing, collision avoidance, and adaptive behavior are all handled by sophisticated AI. It's a marvel of modern engineering. Each drone operates semi-autonomously but contributes to the swarm's collective intelligence. This creates a powerful synergy, greater than the sum of its parts. Communication and coordination in contested environments remain technical hurdles. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for effective deployment. Swarms shift the focus from a few expensive assets to many low-cost intelligent systems. This democratization of military power has profound implications. They're an asymmetric threat, affordable, scalable, and hard to counter. Traditional defense systems struggle to cope with such a distributed and adaptive threat. The pace of development is rapid, and the battlefield is changing fast. We are witnessing a revolution in military affairs. AI-driven swarms are one of the most transformative military innovations. They represent a fundamental shift in how wars are fought. The future of warfare may be fought in numbers and in code. The ability to write effective algorithms will be as important as traditional military skills. Let's talk ethics. The rise of autonomous weapons systems raises profound moral questions that we must address. Now let's tackle the most controversial topic: lethal autonomous weapon systems, or laws. These are weapons that can independently identify and kill targets without human intervention. Proponents say laws could reduce casualties and increase precision, but the ethical concerns are massive. Who's accountable if an AI makes a fatal mistake? The programmer, the commander, or the machine? Many organizations call for bans or strict regulation, insisting on meaningful human control over lethal force. Creating AI that can reliably make ethical decisions in war is a huge challenge. Bias, unpredictability, and lack of human judgment are real risks. Despite concerns, research continues, and the line between human and machine decision-making is blurring. An AI arms race could lower the threshold for conflict and increase instability. Laws force us to confront the collision between technological capability and ethical responsibility. The debate is only beginning, and the stakes couldn't be higher. As AI advances, these questions will define the future of warfare. Finally, let's examine AI-driven precision munitions, a field that's rapidly evolving. These include smart bombs and guided projectiles that are now more accurate, reliable, and adaptable than ever before. AI gives these munitions onboard intelligence a crucial advantage. This allows them to independently seek out targets. They can also adjust their trajectory in real time, and even identify vulnerabilities in the target for maximum effect and impact. Advanced image recognition lets them accurately hit moving targets, or detect and hit hidden targets even when they are obscured in cluttered environments. Furthermore, AI helps these munitions defeat countermeasures. This includes things like flares or jamming, allowing them to stay locked onto real threats. Some can even be programmed to detonate at very specific points. This allows for tailored effects, significantly reducing collateral damage. Even small arms are now exploring AI-guided bullets, all for improved accuracy and effectiveness. AI modeling and simulation are also accelerating the overall development process, ultimately making these weapons far more reliable, precise, and effective in the field. The ultimate goal is to make every single shot count, hitting the right target with perfect accuracy and at precisely the right time. While precision munitions don't raise all the same ethical issues as fully autonomous laws, their growing intelligence and capabilities are undeniably reshaping the modern battlefield. And the line between what is considered smart and fully autonomous is becoming increasingly thinner. So that's how AI is reshaping military technology and the future of warfare. From autonomous drones to hypersonic missiles, AI is no longer futuristic. It's here, and its influence is growing fast. These advances bring new capabilities but also complex ethical and strategic challenges. The conversation about governance and ethics is more important than ever. What do you think about AI and warfare? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.